How to get it so that your calendar series that you've created for events using AddEvent will show as busy instead of free on your users' calendars. Hey, this is Brenda Meller. I just did a little bit of research on this and I found instructions from AddEvent, and I figured I'd put together this video twofold. One to help you, because I know I'm not the only person struggling with this, and the other is to help me so that when I do this exercise, it's going to help me to remember how to do this later. So here's what I've discovered. This is something that you can do either at the event level or at the series level. And I'm going to go in and modify one of my recent events just to show you this. So if you've created a single event, how to get this to show as busy on people's calendars once they register, you need to actually edit the event. So we know we need to click on edit, which is the pencil icon inside of add event. And then in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see it says additional fields with 3 dots. Click on that and you can see free and busy. It's not highlighted, so we got to click on it here. So that's step number 1. And then scroll down to where it says, let's see, mark event as use default. And then you have to change it here from the use default to busy. So I'm going to go ahead and click on save for that. And now once people register for my event, it should add it to their calendar and show it as busy. So that's how you do it for a specific individual event. Now I'm still trying to figure out how to do this for a series of events that's in a specific calendar. Let me just show you, for example, here. I'm in Marketing with Meller. If I click on the 3 dots and click on Edit Calendar, I do see the additional fields, but there's no drop down here. Let me go back to the dashboard again. Click on the 3 dots, click on Calendar page, go under More Actions, and there's no notation under here for free or busy as well. So I'm still trying to troubleshoot. I'm going to submit a ticket to AddEvent, but in the meantime, what I believe that you can do is you can still edit a specific event. What I'm going to try testing out is after you've created one event with those settings, if you duplicate the event, do the settings carry over? So that might be a little bit of a workaround. So keep watching for more videos from me. If I can figure out a workaround to do all events in a specific calendar, I'll definitely let you know, but it does look like this is only at the specific event level. Now, this is the first time I'm testing this out. So what I'm hoping will happen is that the next day when this syncs up at the end of the day, if I have made notations in all of these events to mark it as busy in the user's calendar, and if I've RSVP'd myself for these events, it should show as busy in my calendar as well. So watch for comments. I'll put another video in here later to let you know if that automatically does do that update, or if it doesn't, then you might need to email your users with the additional instructions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any additional resources or tips on the subject of marking your AddEvent calendars as busy in your users' calendars, do comment below. Have a good day.